Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but there's lines going directly down from those clouds. Those lines, kind of very sort of odd lines. And I saw some similar effects when just before the earthquake they had last year up here in Eureka. Except that they had some kind of a orangish blue color out. These clouds were sort of out on the ocean, but check out those lines, man. There's like going like that way, so this must have something to do with HAARP and the whatever radio frequencies they put out in the air. But yeah, it's getting pretty weird around here. I don't know if you can see those lines, but there's lines kind of paralleling those clouds, and looks kind of the weirdest thing I've seen in a while. So I'm thinking they're going to be sending some sort of frequency out in the air. Now if they start sending the low level frequency out, then we're going to have, there's another one that's kind of faded away, goes across this is the kind of normal patterns, but if they start sending low level frequencies out through HAARP, then we'll have an earthquake. And it's particularly if you see something like this with a kind of a yellowish orangish haze. So I would think that those are sort of distinctive lines over there. And this haze here will drop down really low. Then you'll see it close to the street level. I mean from a far distance. You can't see it close up, but from a far distance you can see the haze just sort of drops down. And if this is like fiberglass or something like that, then you know, and barium and some other toxic metals, it just kind of makes me sick to think about it. Now, here's some pretty odd lines. Now, this was a similar formation, except they had, and the lines were a little bit longer, and then it had the colors to them. They had the like orange, kind of green, and reddish colors. And then they had that earthquake that day, and there'll probably be another one shooting off over here pretty quick, and it happens pretty quick. I'm surprised, because like I'll sit down and for a half hour or so, and then next thing I know, you know, there's another one going across. And it's just something I've never noticed here before, and it's pretty odd. So contact your representatives and tell them you don't want them manipulating your weather.